Hey guys, what's going on? I'm gonna finish stripping down this KX 250F 2018. Get the wheels pulled, get it down to the frame. And I think the frame, I'll probably clean it all up, clean up the swing arm, grease all the bearings, whatever else it needs. Unfortunately, I lost some video on the GoPro. I did a time warp and for some reason something went wrong and I lost that footage. So that's missing out of here. Sorry. That's about it. Well, that's it. All tore down, didn't take long. Now I'll just have to take this frame, throw it in, get it pressure washed for the vapor blaster, start on it. So that's it, out of the Sandblaster. Turned out really nice. Next we'll go into the vapor blaster, put a nice shine on it, and then probably do like a brushed aluminum look to it on the sides anyway with 3M like Scotch-Brite and some WD-40. So that'll be next into the vapor blaster.